Hiya everyone, so today I have got an exciting video. I have got the number 17 advent calendar unbox. How stunning is the packaging on this advent calendar? It is absolutely gorgeous. I love the packaging on this advent calendar. It's so pretty, like so pretty. I'm just going to unbox it on my knee for you. This advent calendar is a, I don't know if it's a 24 or 25 day advent calendar, but it is vegan, it is cruelty free, and this costs £32.50. so we're going to work out how much that costs per day in a minute. But this is the packaging of it. I mean, this is I wouldn't be upset if this was under my tree. It's so pretty. So let's open it up. 24-day advent calendar works out at £1.35 a day because of it being a little bit like less days, and it's been £32.50. And yeah, I know it's early, please don't come at me, please don't come at me. I know it's early, but yes, let's unbox this advent calendar. I'm actually going to unbox it on my knee. I think it'll be easier than trying to like go. So we're going to have it just here and I'm going to unbox it that way. So we want day number 1, which is this tiny little one here. I love how they always wrap them in tissue. Is a limited edition eyeshadow. This is what it looks like here, but I definitely think this could be used as a highlighter. It definitely looks similar to previous years they've had in. Please bear in mind my skin and my nails and my hands are on a journey. So that was day number 1. We wanted day number 2, which is this larger size one here. Number 2 is a plumping lip gloss. It's just a clear lip gloss, quite self-explanatory, and it's a plumping one. Day number 3 is this one here, and again it's wrapped in tissue. I feel like this feels like a nail polish. Oh, this is really bonny, and you know what, I may even just paint my nails with some nail polish instead of having false nails on or something like that, because my poor little fingers can't take much more. But that is so pretty. Very pretty. I think that's really nice. I'm dead chuffed with that. I love getting a nail polish. I don't know, I just do. Day number 4 is very light. We have got a shadow stick. Ooh, it's like a chocolatey brown shadow stick. I love the packaging on this. Really nice. This is what the shadow stick looks like there. It's like a bronze colour. Very pretty. The only thing about these shadow sticks is they do not last 2 minutes on my eyes. I must, like, because I have got a slight hooded eye, and they don't last about 2 minutes. Honestly, I've had really expensive brown ones, but really nice product to get, especially if that's something, because they're like a one and done kind of look, you know. Really nice. Number 5 is this one here, another light one. See, it's wrapped in tissue again. Is a glitter powder pigment, and it is leaking everywhere. This is what it looks like. Yeah, how pretty. I haven't used a powder pigment in ages. How stunning is that? So pretty. Day number 6, right at the side of number 5 it was, we have got a mascara. This is what it looks like. Yeah, full size mascara as well. Day number 7, we have got some false lashes, but they don't come with any glue or anything, which is a bit of a downer. We have got some false lashes for day number 7. 8. Let's have a look what it is. Oh, I like this. It is a scrunchie, like a pink, I don't even know, like a crushed velvet pink scrunchie. I like that. I love a scrunchie though. I love a hairbubble, things like that. So yeah, I'm not going to complain about that. That is day number 8. We wanted day number 9. So day number 9 is 9 or 6, and I've opened 6 as 9, or vice versa. Is another pair of lashes, no glue. I don't know how I feel about that. I'm not keen on that. Like, don't like Just not keen on that, if I'm being honest. Right. So then we want day number 10, which is here. It's quite a heavier one. Let's have a look at what this is. Oh, it's a cream blush, but my god, that is some pink shade. Like, yeah, that is a pink shade, and it's definitely a cream product, but yeah, you have to really like that shade. 7. This must be a theme of something because we've received this in another advent calendar, but this is the 17 Jelly Blush Stick. And it's very similar to the shade of the one that I opened in the last one. So I'm not actually going to swatch this because I think my niece may enjoy these. And I don't want to own products that I'm not going to use. But yeah, is that a thing? Are these jelly blushes a thing now? Is that like a trend? Day number 12 is here. And we have got a lip mask. I quite like that. I like novelty things like this. I think I would have preferred it being an eye mask, but I'm not going to complain. It's a funny little thing and it's different. I do like different sort of products, so yeah, I'm happy with that. So that was 12. We want day number 13, which is right near it. Just need to get it out. Here it is. Yeah. And we have got a matte lipstick. A matte lipstick. And is it a red? It is, and it's a red matte lipstick. So I will swatch this, because you guys know if it's a red, I love it, and if it's matte, I would say it's a creamy matte. It's not matte, but that is a bonny red. So yeah, I'm excited about that. Nice to get a matte red, and I like a matte. I like a red. I know a lot of people don't like a red though, but I like a red, so I'm happy with that day. So that is day number 13. Day number 14. I feel like a red maybe not good at the age group these are aimed at. We have got a more nude type lipstick, and it is a matte shade as well. And this is what it's like. But if it's anything like the red, it'll be like a creamy matte, I think. So yeah, that was 14. Full sizes then were, no, or I should say. 15 we want. Yeah. Oh, I like this. Like this. This is a pink hair clip. I really like this. It's a big hair clip, and also it'll be able to clip all my hair in. Yeah, very happy with that one. I love stuff like this. I know some people don't, but I like a mix of items. And I don't want completely all tatty items, but I do like a mix of a little bit of nails, a little bit of hair, a little bit of makeup. I'm not the biggest major person on all makeup. I like a bit of perfume, more perfume. But yeah, that I like that day. Number 15. We went day number 16, which is a big one in the middle, but it's very light. Ooh, love the shape of this sponge. This is a beauty sponge, but it's quite a dense sponge. It's not as soft as the ones that are similar to this shape, because I buy my niece the real one. I don't know what the brand is, but I buy them from Beauty. But that is that. So yeah, I like that. Very happy with that. That's 16. We want 17, which is up here. We've got another scrunchie, but it's like, isn't that bonny? It's like, it's got like a little bunny rabbit taily sort of thing. I like that. That's bonny. I know what I'm going to do with that one. Really bonny. I probably wouldn't wear it, but I know what I'm going to do with that one. That's 17. We've got day number 18, which is up here. We have got a lip mask. I love the packaging of the makeup and everything. I really do. That is what it looks like there. Just nice standard lip mask. We want 19. We have got a nail file. I love a nail file. I think it could have come with a cuticle oil or something else, just so it wasn't taking up a full day. But we've got to remember, this advent calendar is costing £1 something a day. Not a lot of money when you work it out like that. And then Boots will probably put the advent calendars on 3 for 2 at some point as well. So right, we want day number 20. We have got a Glow Bright highlighter wand, but then it says it's a bronze. So what is the shade of this? Is it a bronzy shade or is it a highlighty shade? Let's have a look. It looks like it's a champagne-y goldy shade, yeah. That's it there. So I don't know why they've called it bronze, because it's not bronzy, it's highlighty. Yeah, but I'm not sure if I like the formula of it. I'd have to see how I get on with it, but that is it there. Good little product though, because that's quite like a trendy type product, is it? You know what I'm on about. That's 20. We want 21. We want 21. It's going to be a good one, right? I can feel it. We have got, it depends on your definition of good. These are like pearly hair clips. These are quite cheap to buy. Personally, not for me. I've had them. I never wore them even when I had them. But yeah, you can kind of decide on that day. I like getting a mix of days, I do. I feel like we've had a lot of hairy accessories now though. We're on day number 22. This one here. We have got a lip gloss. It's like in a sherry, like a pinky nudie shade. Full size product and all. We want 23. We have got another lipstick. Oh, a brownie nude. Oh, I love a brownie nude. And that is it there. How gorgeous is that shade? Honestly, if I used to love these shades, I just don't suit them. Love that. Beautiful. Stunning. One of my favourite items, that. Love the colour of that. 23. So we want day number 24, which is our last day, which is such a shame. It's quite a heavy day. Feels heavy. We have got, oh, I think that's nice. We have got the 17 bronze and highlight palette, like, but I think it's like for your eyes, obviously. It's a little 9-pan, which I love. I'm not the biggest fan of big, massive eyeshadow palettes. This is like where I would like to go at. The biggest is really like. I think that's very pretty if you like these tones. I think it's very neutral, very everyday, but you could glam it up if you used a bit of a darker colour. I think that's really nice. I really like it. What do I think of this advent calendar? I think it's quite canny. I wouldn't rush out and get this one when because I've just unboxed the Profusion advent calendar, and I honestly think the Profusion one is cheaper. The sizes are bigger. You're getting less hair products. I do like hair products, so and I just think it's better value for money. So in my opinion, I would get the Profusion one over this one, but I don't think this one's horrendously bad. Too many hair products, and I like hair products, but too many hair products in my opinion. I feel like we could add some bath maybe, but I do like it. I don't dislike it, but I definitely, if I had to pick between the two, I think the Profusion one's better value for money and better products in a sense. But really, when you work it out, they're both like low end. At one's 30, one's 32. This one's 32 or something, isn't it? Something like that. It's working out £1 something a day, so it's not really a lot. Yeah, so not bad at all. And if you can get them on the 3 for 2 when Boots start doing that, even better. Boots points and all. Use Top Cashback. I'll link Top Cashback down below because you get cashback on your purchases. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video, and anyways, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because like I say, I do have advent calendars giveaways with the items, with some of the items from all my advent calendars that I unboxed throughout the year. I done 2 last year, 2 the year before. I may do 2 this year, I may do 3, I don't know. And then I do little mini giveaways throughout Christmas as well. And yeah, so if you haven't already, I would love you to subscribe down below, and I will see you.